This is a teardown of a Linksys SD205 5-port 10100 switch, and nothing too special. I have scrapped a lot of these in the past, ironically, but they're always a huge pain to get apart. The screwdriver's not big enough to get in there. You kind of pop it open with, there we go. And 12 volt 5 milliamp. I was just wondering, something like this, one of these small switches would be interesting to like put them inside of a custom build PC, like a home lab project. Run them off the PC's power supply. There we go. I think this technically like slides back and lifts up, but I'm not motivated to do it correctly. Unfortunately, I don't foresee myself getting the heatsink off the main chip. Whoops. I would suspect that this is Broadcom based though, being that it's Cisco. Alright. So there's top side of the board. Nothing to see on the bottom. Pretty simple. This heatsink is hanging over the edge ever so slightly, so I'm going to see if I can pop it off with a screwdriver. Nope, not enough. Not enough there, unfortunately. Let's see if I can use a smaller screwdriver and get at it from a different spot. A little bit of a gap right here. No, I don't think I'm going to be able to get under it. Might be able to use this as a chisel. Oh. No. Oh, my safety glasses on. Hopefully this doesn't go flying in my face as I'm trying to get it off. Yeah, it's not. I'm not going to be able to get under that heatsink. If I take this and try to twist it off, it's going to bust off the fins more than likely. Yeah, those are just going to shear off. That's unfortunate. Oh, no. I'm shifting the chip. There's no easy way to get those apart, unfortunately, but I guess if anything, you guys see what the board looks like. Got a chip here for voltage regulation of some sort. AP30 or AP34063, I believe is part number. But yeah, not much to see, I guess, other than that. So hopefully that was interesting, and thanks for watching.